Hello, my name is Degan and welcome to Tentworld Toowoomba. Today I'm talking to you about the Projecta battery chargers. In the box you get the battery charger, a carry bag and some mounting brackets so you can mount your charger vertically or horizontally in your home workshop. Also you get an instruction manual which will explain how to use it. The battery charger weighs 1.5 kilograms and has 1.5 meter long charging cables. The alligator clips on the cables are fully insulated and will not spark when you connect them to the battery. After you've connected it to the battery, you can plug it into your power and the charger will come on. The charger has two buttons on it, one for choosing the charge type, so you can choose either normal or calcium, and the other button can change the charge rate between 2, 4 and 8 amps. So it comes with the Rejuvenation Mode for rejuvenating older batteries. To enter that mode, you hold the button in for 3 seconds and it'll switch over to Rejuvenation Mode, and if you want to leave Rejuvenation Mode, you hold it for 3 seconds and it'll go back. The battery charger can be used on car batteries, including calcium, marine batteries, and deep cycle batteries such as AGM, gel, and lithium phosphate. So the Projecta battery chargers come in 3 sizes: 4 amps, 8 amps, and 16 amps. The 4 amp has a 2 amp and 4 amp charging mode. The 8 amp has a 2, 4 and 8 amp charging mode. And the 16 has a 2, 4, 8 and 16 amp charging mode. These make the perfect companion for your Projecta power hub. The charger has 6 stages: a rejuvenation cycle which rejuvenates sulphated batteries, a soft start for when the battery is very low voltage. It then goes to the main charging cycle. When it gets near fully charged, it goes to an absorption mode, and then an equalization mode for calcium batteries. Finally, it does a battery test and then a float mode to make sure your battery will not overcharge when it is full. Come into a Tentworld store near you or check out the website tentworld.com.au to get your own Projecta battery charger.